Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I decided to show you how I make my moisturizing whip body butters. The one in particular that I will be making in this video is Sheer Magic. This is a beautiful, gorgeous moisturizing body butter, all natural, all vegan, organic products. So if you're interested to see exactly how I make this body butter, then definitely keep watching this video. Okay, love. So the first thing that we're going to go ahead and get into is the ingredients that I will be using to make my moisturizing whip body butter. The first items are my two butters. The first butter is the Shea butter, which is amazing for the skin, very moisturizing. The next butter that I will be using is mango butter, which is also very moisturizing for the skin. Later on, I will get into more benefits of these ingredients in the video. So the next items are my oils. I'm using 3 oils. The first oil is sweet almond oil. The next one, which I actually combined, is avocado oil as well as jojoba oil. The next item up is my arrowroot powder. Arrowroot powder is amazing when it comes to minimizing the greasiness of your body butters when it is applied on the skin. So I always use arrowroot powder for my body butters or in my body butters. The other items that I will be using is, of course, vitamin E oil. It is a great antioxidant. And the last item is my fragrance oil. So the next thing that I wanted to show you is the equipment that I will be using to mix and make my body butter. The first item is, of course, my scale. I measure everything out in grams, which is the best way when it comes to measuring any type of skincare products. The next items that I will be showing you is, of course, my spatula, my spoon to mix and blend everything together. I have my heat safe container that I will be using to melt my butters and oils. I also have some mixing bowls in the back that I will be using to mix my skin safe colorant into my body butters. The next thing that I have, of course, is my handheld mixer. I also do have my stand mixer. At times I might use both depending on how big of a batch I am going to make. And of course, last but not least, is to keep my area safe and sanitized. I do always use gloves as well as a mask. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and get into the making of my body butter. The first thing that I do is go ahead and combine my butters and my oils. The reason why I do this is because I will be doing a double boiler method to melt down my butters and oils and make sure that they are all combined, which you guys will see in a second. So the first thing that I will be, or the first ingredient that I will be placing in my heat safe container is my shea butter. So shea butter is great for skincare products. It softens the skin. It does have healing properties. It also conditions, tone, as well as soothes the skin. And of course, as you guys know, it is a great moisturizer. Next is my mango butter. Mango butter is very good for softening and soothing the skin. It is an antioxidant. It's anti-inflammatory. It also helps with anyone that is experiencing dryness, eczema, or dermatitis, or any other problematic areas on their skin. Next up is my sweet almond oil. I use this a lot in a few of my skincare products. It is an amazing moisturizer. It is an antioxidant oil, anti-inflammatory. It improves the complexion and skin tone. It also treats dry skin and contains some vitamin A, which can help even out your skin tone, texture, and prevent wrinkles. I also include avocado oil, which has a high percentage of vitamin E, which can nourish and moisturize your skin. Jojoba oil is great for moisturizing dry skin. It nourishes and heals the skin as well. It also boosts skin glow as well as fade fine lines and wrinkles.
Oh na na na, 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 yeah. One time now for the gal, I'm up in the place. Yeah, the sis come through, get a squad, some space. Get down, girl. Ain't nobody tell you nothing. Yeah. And if they try to tell you something, tell them find some stairs or run up. Cause I ain't tryna be nobody, body. I ain't tryna tell you how to live your life. I don't know. You do what you have to, I know that it's hard. On the low. Bounce around, 2 different jobs. Oh. But you have to do what you have to know. A closed mouth don't get fed over here. But you have to do what you have to know. Yeah. No, closed mouths don't get fed. I hold that stays in your head. Think about it lying down and you better not. Ooh, baby girl, I know you do, and I know you have to. It's so unfair, when they judge you. Oh, no. Just tell them that no one can judge you. No one should judge. No one should. Girl, I gotta tell you, you the best from time. I just had to get that off my chest. Hope you don't mind, no. I mean, who am I to judge you? Take your time, girl. I mean, who am I to rush you? Baby, fall in love with you. Oh. Ooh. Baby girl, I know you do, and I know you have to. It's so unfair, when they judge you. Oh, no. Just tell them that no one can judge you.
So I am done making the butter. So the next thing I'm going to do is actually go ahead and add some skin safe mica colorant to my body butters to give it that colorful look. The colors that I use for Sheer Magic is a green, yellow color. I also use a bluish color as well as a purple color. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and divide the butter equally into the 3 bowls. And then I will add the colorant. I'll go ahead and mix it in with my spoon. And then I'll show you guys how I pipe it into my jar.
It lasts forever. So make it last all day, yeah. Cause girl, it made me laugh all day, yeah. Girl, I just want us to keep going on. I just want us to keep going forever all day, like, yeah. Whoa, yeah.
Now, when piping my butters into my jars, I do use press and seal, and then I also use a piping bag. I also use a large piping tip to get that decorative look when it comes to piping my.
There ain't no other girl out here got my heart. Baby, don't ask, you ain't gotta ask me, no. Cause I ain't afraid to say I love you. Yeah, I ain't afraid to tell the world I love you. I ain't afraid to tell my boys I love you. Girl, you make it so easy. Make it so easy to love you, baby. And I just wanna make it last forever. So make it last all day, yeah. Cause girl, it made me laugh all day, yeah. Girl, I just want us to keep going on. I just want us to keep going forever all day, like, yeah. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah. Oh. baby, I need you. Girl, you're my angel. I know you probably had enough of me, yeah, I know. But I just can't get enough of you. Cause you're so perfect, girl. I'm your student, I'm still learning, girl. You already won the race, and they still running, girl. I want this for the rest of our lives. So make it last all day, yeah. Cause girl, it made me laugh all day, yeah. Girl, I just want us to keep going on. I just want us to keep going forever all day, like, yeah.
Okay, love, so I am finally done with making my body butter. You guys, the smell, I wish you were able to smell this body butter. The fragrance is amazing. The texture is amazing. I will be showing you how it looks applied to the skin. Like I stated before, the Arrowroot powder helps the body butter a lot because it doesn't leave that greasy feeling on your skin. Now, I do sell my body butters on my site. If you have been following me, you know that I recently launched my skincare line, which includes my body butters, body soaps, body oils, as well as body scrubs and other skincare products. So if you guys are interested in checking out my site, I will leave the link down below in the description section. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I did want to also show you a few other products that is under the Sheer Magic style. I do also have my whip soap in the style Sheer Magic. Also the body scrub, which is an exfoliating whip body scrub, and my bath soak or bath salts. So I want to say thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below in the comment section. Once again, I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.